Flourishing businesses. Booming development. Changing lifestyles. India today is keeping pace with change. But tomorrow is a new day. Development is going beyond today. It's about balancing economic progress with environmental care and social responsibility for a sustainable tomorrow. Something which is ongoing at Ramki since its inception in 1994. At Ramki, we envisage a future where we will play a crucial role in nation building. As a multidisciplinary integrated services group with an enviable track record, we are positioned to deliver. Environment. Creating wealth from waste. Expertise in hazardous biomedical municipal solid waste e-waste management. Established India's first integrated common hazardous waste management and biomedical waste management project. Winner CII's Performance Award for Safety, Health and Environment. Partnerships with real estate leaders contributing to mutual growth. Infrastructure. Meeting challenging timelines, providing viable solutions. Over 10 years' experience in meeting varied construction needs. State-of-the-art construction machinery. Jawaharlal Nehru Pharma City in Visakhapatnam, providing hassle-free environment for bulk drugs and pharmaceuticals manufacturing. Consulting. Technology non-stop. Surmounting technology challenges in multiple disciplines. Offering cost-effective services in BPO technologies. Investment and financial advisory services. Real estate. Turning imagination into lively structures. Breathing life into lifestyles across India. Offering services across real estate value chain. Active presence in greenfield projects. Offering the high life. Welcome to the high life. Ramki Towers is an enviable gated community absorbing the best of both worlds, high-tech city and botanical gardens. With both less than a kilometer away, the morning stroll and walk to office can happen without breaking a sweat. The 150 feet link road to high-tech city also facilitates impromptu shopping expeditions. Add to this the sublime location of Ramki Towers, a high-profile neighborhood Wipro, Infosys, Microsoft, ISB, with the DLF SEZ, major international schools. Satyam and IIIT, the outer ring road too, is close by. Ramki Towers faces the northeast direction, undoubtedly the best Vastu possible. The uniquely undulating terrain, meticulously landscaped grounds, commercial space, elegant luxury, and deluxe duplex apartments make Ramki Towers the best cynosure, and for a good reason. The wow at Ramki Towers begins with the structurally aesthetic commercial space that takes business ambience to new heights. Here, aesthetics and functionality, self-reliant offices and commercial stores peacefully coexist. Safety features get their due with earthquake-resistant designs, sophisticated firefighting system and round-the-clock security. separate entry-exit gates for the business zone and residential section. High Life Part 2. Residential section, more than 13 lakh square feet. The apartment blocks at Ramki Towers stand out as much for their height as for their opulence. Each block symbolizes 20 levels of pure luxury. Each lavish apartment acknowledges the right to high life. There is ample scope for the air around you to amplify. The views from the balconies offer plenty of cause for cheer. Spaciousness and luxury go up a notch with the deluxe duplex apartments. Each 4,200 square feet apartment is planned to a T and smartly laid out. High Life Part 3. Top draw facilities. Ramki Towers is high on features and functionality. The tennis court on the clubhouse terrace is probably only one of its kind. The 3-floor clubhouse overlooking the apartments is a blend of fun indoors and outdoors. The fashionable poolside sit-outs, the colorful foliage, the sparkling waters, there's fun within and beyond the pool. The play areas, kids can continue showing their agility. Construction excellence is as much in the macro as in the micro details. 20 feet wide driveways and 3-level underground car parking with separate in and out ramps show the meticulousness in the Ramki Towers design. Ramki Towers rides on the strong infrastructure proficiency and sustainable livelihood pedigree of the Ramki Group. A first-of-its-kind wastewater management plan integrated into the project ensures recycled water usage for maintaining greenery. Ramki Towers is a high even for the connoisseurs. Strategic location, quality construction, high Vastu compliance, northeast facing, access to wide roads, excellent ventilation, earthquake-resistant designs, exquisite landscaping, sophisticated firefighting system, round-the-clock security. We think your moment of triumph has arrived. We suggest you live it.